we are at home today because I want to tell you guys what we plan on doing from now on. Hi. This was his ego. It's only half deflated. Ugh. Mine's not like that. Mine's fully deflated. So the plan is, from now on, our Thursday, which will then in turn be your Friday when you're watching this, will be our project day. To make sure that it's more of a decent schedule, to make sure that we're not doing 3 project days in 1 week.
I need to ask you a question.
What? Is it about your assorted steals?
Yes.
So, one of our projects today is to make the animation screen that's going to happen right now. Which is funny, because you guys didn't see that because it isn't made yet. So, the plan for that is... I will be pulling across into our screen to start our project day. So, another thing we're doing is our guest bedroom closet. So I told you that we're going to be having a whole bunch of guests within February, and our guest closet needs another hanging rod. So we're going to not only clean out the guest closet, but we're also going to hang up a hanging rod so that people can hang their clothes. No, not that type of hanging. And then something else we want to introduce is our Saturday, which will be your Sunday, is Appreciation Day. So it'll be a day where we get to tell you what we appreciate, show you what we appreciate, not just about the parks, but also about people that we really appreciate in our lives. So that'll be more of a appreciation video or blog or vlog that day.
It's plain to see that you've put a lot of thought into this.
I have. Okay. Biplane. Get it? Biplane? It's a type of plane.
Oh, I get it! It's a plane! That has 2 sets of wings! That's why I call it biplane!
So that is our plans for today. It may be a short video for you guys.
Hey man, come on, can you wrap this up?
Jesus. No. It may be a short video for you guys, but to us, it's going to take most of the day. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope that you guys enjoy those regular days of the week. It will also help us because we also need days where we need to do stuff like shopping, because we need to eat. Mow the lawn.
What's that?
That's a good one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and off we go. So this is the closet that I'm talking about. We want to get rid of these stuffed animals because they actually go on the bed behind me, and then move some of this stuff around so that the space that's in here is open, because one of our guests is staying for quite a while, and we just don't want our guests to live out of their suitcase. So up here, you can see we have a hanging bar already, but we want one on the other side, which is what I'm using the point with. Wah, 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 wah. So that's just gonna go right up here for another hanging bar.
The hanging thing again, Michael? Really?
Is that for Smitty?
No, it's not for Smitty. And then we're going to downsize. We keep all of our bed bags so that we can keep blankets and stuff in. So we're gonna downsize some of that so that there's space up top to store more stuff. Also, I have been able to make another set of these, so I made this one and that one. That takes me, Christina and I calculated, it takes me about an hour and a half to make one, which is good because that means it's something that I can just do on the side really quick, for the people that we plan on giving them to. So that's good. So all that is left is to do the pirate ship, and the animation for Project Day. And I think maybe put up some shelves in the garage that were in our closet. So I'm gonna start working on that stuff. So instead of doing the pirate ship, we ended up doing more in the garage, more in the closet, and right here we did more shelving for the tsums. And now Christina's adding more tsums.
For the tsums.
Yep. This is a more stable shelving than what we had here.
Yes, because we had the what's on the other side still.
Mm-hmm. Which is like this flimsy, like cardboard stuff.
And it was stacked on top of the tsums. And the issue we were having was this wall over here is like right in line with the garage door, like the door into the house. Mm-hmm. So every time like the wind slammed that or something, this wall over here, everything just fell. Mm-hmm. So we're starting with this wall to stabilize it a little more.
So what we're doing is to match the other wall is little by little, once a week, we will be adding to the shelving. But as of right now, there is 10 on this wall, and I think we're up to 8 on this wall.
3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're getting there.
So all we need to do is get the hooks that hold these shelves, because we have the wood already cut. It's right here. Which I think is what, like $4? Something like that.
Yeah. I like this guy. He's so cute.
Ooh. So what we do is we put about $8, something like that, once a week until we get all the shelving we need. And as you guys saw, it is the craft board that I love to use. I absolutely love craft board. We use it for pretty much everything when it comes to building like little things. Like in our laundry room, we have sort of like a wheelie cart that I've made, and it's completely out of craft board and works perfect for us. So now it is time to work on that animation I was telling you guys about to start the video. So the way I plan on starting the video every time we have a project day is just by pulling the page from here that way. That way we have our opening animation and we can start into what we're going to do today. So let's try that right now. We're just going to take the page and then pull it. Since we really don't have enough time to work on the pirate ship, I did get about, yesterday I showed you guys that, oh no, it wasn't yesterday, it was on our rainy day video, which I will put a link to. I did about half of it so far, and I am working on it little by little. It is just the time and somewhat of the motivation, because like today we did a lot of projects, or we went out and we did like, I mean, yesterday we were out at Universal pretty much most of the evening. So it's just doing that is getting the time and the motivation to do it. So with that being said, I am going to go work on it. But I do believe that is the end of our day. So
watch out for free-range grandmas.
Bye, guys.